Hi everyone, from CellulareMagazine. We are here with the new LG Optimus Chat. This is an Android device. So it has a 2.8 inch screen with a resolution of 320 pixel by 240 pixel. On the front part we have these four soft keys buttons, the menu, home, back and search, and two physical buttons to start and end calls. This button also lock and unlock the screen and power off the phone. On the left there is no button, while on the upper part there is the connector for the 3.5mm jack. On the right we have the volume rocket, while on the bottom part there is the connector for the micro USB cable, which charge the phone but also connect it to the PC. The main part of this phone is the QWERTY keyboard. It is a physical keyboard, 4-row, with the standard Android buttons in the first function. So you have the back, the menu and the vocal search on the primary function of this keyboard. It's very nice and comfortable. So let's try to write little sentences. Okay, so it's very easy to use, but if you like a virtual keyboard, or you just want to type a quick message, for example, you can use the virtual one. There is the alphanumeric keyboard and also the full QWERTY if you rotate the phone. So it's very standard with the virtual keyboard, but the real plus is this very comfortable physical keyboard. On board we have Android 2.2 with the proprietary interface. This is the weather widget, it's very nice, but LG added some of its custom UI. This is the text widget. You can also add the calendar widget and others. So it's a very nice interface. Probably the first phone which has a landscape version of LG interface, since you can open and slide up the keyboard. LG give you a landscape version of its interface. You have the main dock on the right part and the classic distinction between the preloaded application and the downloaded one from the market. On board we have the App Advisor, which is the application in which LG insert the preferred apps on the market, so you can have the best application in one place. You don't have to search around the market. There is an app manager which helps you to free the memory of the smartphone, which use a 600 MHz processor. It's very fast to switch between applications. No lag between the multitasking. The 3.2 megapixel camera is very standard for Android. You can capture the picture with the virtual key. There is no physical button for that, and the pictures are very standard for an Android smartphone. You can also take some video with VGA resolution. There is no flash on the back, so you can't take a good picture in a dark situation. Let's try the browser to see how good it is. Now we are on HSDPA connection, so let's try to reload our blogs page. It is possible to navigate in the web page with the pad, the physical pad. You have pinch to zoom thanks to the capacitive touchscreen. So it's very nice to have this feature, since the screen is not that big. You can zoom in and zoom out very quickly. and you can move around the page without problems. There is no flash player for support for this phone, since it has a 600 MHz processor, so no flash compatibility. Let's try to see another application. For example, there is the FM radio. We need the headset for this. Okay. You just turn on the radio and you can select the frequency you want to hear. There is this selector, or you can proceed with the little steps to search your favorite radio station. Let's try to see if you can hear something. So it's a very nice feature to have an FM radio, since here in Italy there is no great coverage of HSDPA connection. You have also theme-free Office to view all your Office documents. It's very nice, and you can also use a Google Docs account. So it is a very nice phone. You got this very comfortable keyboard, which helps you to write message, and it doesn't occupy the screen. So if you have a very little screen like this, 2.8 inch, you may want to use the physical keyboard, since it doesn't take off the screen, the space of the keyboard. So like this, you can't see the previous conversation, but if you write with the physical keyboard, you can see everything. It's comfortable. You have a lot of shortcuts you can use, you can configure. It's a very nice phone, and it has a price tag of 199 euro here in Italy, and it will be out in May. So for this review, it's all. From Alessandro La Croce, bye bye.